Looking for the perfect gift for the special women in your life? Finding a gift that's meaningful and exciting can be tough, let's face it. But with this list from Amazon Gifts this holiday season, I have got you covered. Whether it's your partner, mom, grandma, sister, cousin, or friend, with 5 best-selling gifts for her, she will absolutely love it. Let's jump right in. First on the list is the Dyson Airwrap Styler Complete. This revolutionary styling tool can curl, wave, smooth and dry hair without extreme heat. Perfect for women who love to keep their hair looking flawless. It's a splurge-worthy gift, but trust me, it will make her feel like a queen every day. Wow. Next up, give her the gift of luxurious comfort with the Brooklinen Luxe Sheet Set. These are buttery soft and made from high-quality cotton for the ultimate sleep experience. Perfect for someone who deserves a little extra relaxation. And number 3, if she loves cooking or stylish kitchen tools, the Always Pan by Our Place is a dream gift. It's an all-in-one pan that can replace 8 traditional pieces of cookware. Plus, it comes in beautiful colors that will brighten up any kitchen. For the beauty enthusiast, the Olaplex Hair Repair Treatment Kit is a total game changer. It repairs and strengthens damaged hair, leaving it silky and smooth. It's a self-care essential she'll truly appreciate. Finally, the UGG Scuffette 2 slippers are cozy, stylish, and perfect for lounging. Made with soft sheepskin lining, they are a thoughtful gift that screams comfort and care. Comfort and care, those are keywords. And it's amazing that all these gifts are available online. You can shop anytime. Please note that some of the links in this video are affiliate links, and that means I earn a small commission if you decide to click on the link at no extra cost to you if you decide to make a purchase. Your support helps me create more content like this, and I truly appreciate it. If you find a gift idea you love, click the link to check it out. Your perfect holiday gift might just be a click away. There you have it, 5 amazing gift ideas for her, and they are sure to impress anytime. Which one would she love the most? Let me know in the comments below.